Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 8th and subject science. In that chapter number 13, chapter name is sound. In the previous video, part 2, we have seen up to question number 4. Today we'll see question number 5. Explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to human. Answer is noise pollution is harmful to human in following ways. Point 1. Noise disturbs the sleep of human being and it creates the problem of lack of the sleep. Point 2. Noise produces irritation and tension in human being. Point 3. Hypertension, anxiety and many more health disorders causes. Point 4. A person exposed to a loud sound continuously may get temporary or even permanent deafness. See the question number 6. Give the names of two musical instruments for each of the following types. A string type, B wind type, C membrane type and D metal plates. A string type, sitar, veena, guitar, violin. B wind type, flute, shehnai and trumpet. Number C membrane type, tabla, dholak, drum. D metal plates type, manjira, bell and cymbals. See the question number 7. How can noise pollution be controlled? Answer is noise pollution be controlled by reducing their sources. Point 1. The aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines and home appliances must be installed with silencing device. The blowing of horn should be avoided in residential area. TV and radio should be played at low volume. Trees should be planted along the road and around buildings. Question number 8. A simple pendulum makes 10 oscillations in 20 seconds. What is the period and frequency of the oscillator? Here frequency is equal to number of oscillations in 1 second. So 10 is the oscillation, number of oscillation upon 20. Time is 20. So 10 upon 20 is equal to 0.5 Hz. So time period is equal to time required to complete one oscillation. So is equal to 20 upon 10 is equal to 2 seconds. Now see the next page. Explain giving scientific reasons, 2 marks each. Number 1. Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. The speed of the sound V at 22 degrees Celsius is a 344 meter per second and speed of light C is 30 multiplied by 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Therefore, C upon V is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 344. It's nearly 10 raised to 6. This shows that the speed of light is greater as compared to that of sound, approximately 10 raised to 6 times. Therefore, even though lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us, lightning is seen earlier and thunder heard later. Now for the question number 2. Two persons cannot communicate with each other on the moon. Answer is there is no atmospheres on the moon. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum. Therefore, communications of two persons is not possible on the moon. See the question number 3. We cannot hear the explosion taking place on the sun. Answer is we know that the propagation of sound requires a material medium for its propagation. We also know that there is a continuous medium between sun and earth. That's why we are not able to hear the explosion taking place on the sun. See the question number 4. Dense trees are planted in the surrounding areas of the aerodrome. Answer is to reduce noise pollution during the takeoff and landing of aircraft. A lot of noise is generated, which causes noise pollution. The trees planted near the aerodrome absorb the sound waves, thereby decreasing noise pollution. Main 9. Write 2 points of difference between noise and music. Number 1, it is unpleasant sound and in music it is a pleasant sound. Point 2, in noise it is hazardous to health and here it is good for health. Next point, no special instruments are required to produce noise, and here in music, special instruments are required to play music. Now see the next page. Main 10, match the following properly. Write the alphabet index of column in the answer box, 4 marks each. Column A, in that number 1 hertz, number 2 decibel, number 3 meter, and number 4 second. Hertz is the uh, unit of frequency. Decibel is the unit of loudness of sound. Meter is the unit of amplitude. And second is the unit of time period. Now see the main 11. Answer the following questions in detail, 4 marks each. Write a short note on loudness of sound. Answer is a physiological prescription of amplitude of sound related to a human being is called the loudness of sound. When the sound strikes the ear, it produces the sensation in the ear. Some of the sounds are loud and some of are feeble. Louder sounds and feeble sounds are determined by the sensation produced in the ear, which is called loudness of the sound. It is proportional to square of the amplitude of the sound. If the amplitude becomes twice, loudness becomes 4 times. The unit of loudness is decibel, dB. Here the figure is given. Here the small waves are there and here the bigger one. Okay. When the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound produced large. And here when the amplitude is small, the sound produced is feeble. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.